Construction work continues steadily with visible structural progress across the stadium. Key framework elements are being installed, facade systems are advancing, and more areas are moving closer to completion. Despite recent weather interruptions, on-site activity remains consistent, bringing the project one step closer to its next major milestone. In the Tribuna area, structural activity continues with large chrome-finished tubes staged for installation across multiple positions. Workers are active again on upper scaffolding levels where progress had slowed earlier. Diagonal structural elements show recent finishing work, indicating ongoing reinforcement and preparation. Panel sandwich installation is expected soon as materials and mounting points are being prepared. In the south Gol sector, panel sandwich installation is advancing steadily. Upper-level panels are being secured while additional panels are staged below for continued placement. Staircase structures around future elevator shafts are now largely enclosed with sandwich panels. Elevated platforms are operating inside the structure, confirming active facade assembly in this zone. At the corner section, lama installation is nearing full completion. One sector is fully finished, while the adjacent upper section has only a few remaining lamas to be installed. Structural supports and mounting brackets for the lamas are firmly in place, allowing final alignment work to proceed. A major structural milestone has been achieved in the lateral zone. The fourth radial beam and its corresponding pillar have been successfully installed, contributing to the formation of the compression ring system. This advancement is particularly significant given the recent adverse weather. With 4 radial beams now visible, the structural outline of the future roof ring is becoming increasingly defined. Preparations for the 5th beam and pillar are expected next. Additionally, panel sandwich installation has progressed along stair structures, with the first upper-level panel now placed above concrete sections near elevator entrances. Multiple panels are staged for continued installation. In the lateral corner section, additional lama support anchors have been installed on both lower and upper beam levels. These connectors prepare the structure for the next phase of lama placement. Surface finishing work continues around these supports, indicating structural reinforcement before facade completion. At the north Gol corner, insulating finishing elements have been installed along the mid-level facade. Multiple new connection plates for lama supports are now fixed on central and right side beams, preparing this area for future lama installation toward the Tribuna direction. Some left side connectors are still pending, but structural preparation is clearly progressing. According to recent statements from FC Barcelona president Joan Laporta, the overall completion timeline of Spotify Camp Nou may extend further due to previous delays, with roof-related works potentially stretching into 2027. Regarding Phase 1C licensing for the Gol Norte opening, no officially confirmed new approval has been announced yet. Discussions continue around operational permissions, but structurally the area is progressing as planned. If you want continuous detailed updates on the stadium construction, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. More structural milestones are coming soon. Stay tuned for the next update.